Welcome. In this video I will show you how to buy more storage for your iPhone on iOS 26. To do that, open Settings, open your account, select iCloud, and right here you can select Upgrade to the needed amount, select the amount of memory that you want, and click Upgrade to iCloud Plus, and then proceed with the payment. And that will be it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.